Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you in which ways you can leave a feedback in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Help / Feedback section, look for the Give us your feedback about our app button. And if you click on that, as you can see, there are 4 ways you can contact to them. So you can do that by your phone's default mail app, through Gmail, through Outlook, and you can give a feedback to TFL. That's the application's customer service team. So yeah, just click on the one that you want to use and write to them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.